AI humanizer tools have become a hot topic in content creation these days. These tools refine AI-generated text and make it more relatable and human-like. But are they really effective? More importantly, do you know how to use them effectively to enhance your content? Almost 77% of businesses now use AI in some aspects of their operations, and the field of content creation is no exception. But do you know AI-crafted content lacks the emotional depth needed to connect with readers? Often, it comes across as too robotic sounding. That's where free AI humanizer tools can help. These tools turn AI-generated text into a human-sounding version. This blog will show you how to use free AI humanizers effectively so that you reap the maximum benefits from them. So keep reading. What do AI humanizers do? AI humanizer tools make AI written text sound more like a real person wrote it. They analyze and refine the given text, which includes restructuring sentences, breaking down longer sentences into shorter ones, and replacing words with simpler synonyms. And guess what? The final output becomes easier to read and understand, sounding more conversational and as such, more human. Why is this important? It helps the text connect better with the people who read it. Benefits of using AI humanizers in various applications. Enhance content quality. AI humanizers fine-tune the quality of AI-generated text and make it sound less robotic and more human-like. When you let AI enhance your content, it helps it sound more natural and, as a result, often rank higher online. Improve customer engagement. Have you ever received a message from a company that felt cold and unhelpful? AI tools auto-generate these types of messages, and AI humanizers can make them sound nicer and more friendly. How? These tools add warmth to communications. Make marketing messages more friendly. Marketing is about talking to people in a way that they like. A free AI humanizer tool helps businesses write messages that feel personal and connect with customers. These tools make the writing sound like it's coming from a real person, not a robot. The results? People will be able to relate to and interact with your message on a deeper level, and you'll get better results for your marketing this way. It's a win-win. Streamline localization. When you translate something, it doesn't always sound natural in the new language. What's the solution? AI humanizers can change the words and the way things are said so that they make sense to people in different countries. They make sure the message still sounds good and feels right to people who speak that language. This is helpful for companies that want to sell their products or services to people all over the world. Help students. Learning can sometimes be confusing, isn't that so? AI humanizers can make learning materials easier to understand. In fact, these tools can make information more interesting for students so they can easily relate to them. This way, you can understand the concepts in a better way. Boost productivity. It takes an ample amount of time to write good quality content, right? An online humanizer tool can help you breathe new life into AI text faster and better. So, you don't need to humanize AI-generated content manually. Simply head over to the tool and turn it into a human-friendly copy in a matter of moments. This way, you can produce top-notch work in less time, which is important when you have deadlines. How AI humanizers work in real life. Let's see how some businesses are using AI humanizers. E-commerce. Free AI humanizer tools help make product descriptions easier to understand and more convincing. This helps stores sell more and makes customers happier. Healthcare. Doctors and clinics use these tools to make medical information easier for patients to read. And guess what? This keeps the information accurate and makes it easier to understand. Content creation. Bloggers and writers use humanized AI tools to make their writing more creative and polished, which helps their work stand out from others. Recruitment HR professionals can use these tools to write friendly and impactful job descriptions. They can also use AI to write better emails to job applicants. How to implement free AI humanizers like an expert. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you use text humanizer tools to make your writing sound like a real person wrote it. 1. Understand the purpose of AI humanizers. These tools can help you make your writing sound less robotic, more emotional, easier to understand. Before you start, ask yourself, what do I want to do with this writing? Do you want to educate readers or convince them? Knowing your goal will help you use the tool correctly. 2. choose the best AI humanizer tool. There are many AI humanizer tools that can help you write better, but not all of them are the same. Some are better for certain things than others. You should try different tools to see which one works best for you. For example, if you're writing emails, you might want a tool that makes your writing sound friendly, but also professional. 3. Start with quality input. The quality of your original text heavily impacts the output. If your writing is confusing or has mistakes, a free humanizer tool won't make it perfect. So what should you do? Before using the tool, make sure your writing has a clear goal. What do you want to say? Check for spelling and grammar mistakes. Include all the important information. For example, if you're writing a blog post, plan out your main ideas and ensure they make sense. AI tools can help your writing sound better, but they can't replace good writing skills. Number 4, review and customize the output. Even the best AI tools can make mistakes. They might not always get the right tone or understand what you really want to say. With that in mind, you need to follow these steps. Read carefully. Make sure the tool didn't change your meaning. Fix any errors. Add your own style and make it sound natural. Check for context-specific details. If you're writing for a specific group of people, make sure the humanizer uses the right words they understand. For example, if it misses an industry-specific word, you need to change it back. 5. Make it feel human. Good writing should make people feel something. AI humanization tools can help your writing sound warmer and more friendly, but you still need to guide them. For example, imagine you're thanking a customer. The AI chatbot might write, "Thank you for your purchase. We appreciate your business." You could make it more friendly. "We're so glad you chose us. Thank you for your support. It means a lot to us." The second version sounds more sincere and helps you build a better relationship with the customer. Try different ways of saying things to see what sounds best to your readers. 6. Use AI as one step in your process. AI tools work best when you use them as part of your regular writing process. Here's how. Write your first draft. You can use another AI content creation tool to draft your article or write it yourself. Use the AI humanizer. Let the AI tool improve how your writing sounds. Review and edit. Customize the output according to your own style and make it perfect. Optimize it. Make sure your writing is good for search engines or whatever else you need. This way, your writing will be polished and sound like you. 7. Maintain your unique voice. Even though AI humanizer tools can help your writing sound better, they shouldn't erase your unique style. People like to read writing that has a unique style. This makes them trust and remember you. It would be best to make a guide for your writing style. This guide should tell you how formal or casual your writing should be. What words and phrases do you usually use, and which ones you should try to avoid? Who you are writing for and how they like to be talked to. This way, you can make sure your writing always sounds the same. 8. Keep learning and adapting. Things are always changing. AI tools and audience expectations, so try new things to see what works best. Ultimately, the most important thing is to use AI wisely. Understand your readers, make sure your writing sounds natural, and always check your work. Follow these steps and your writing will be amazing. 9. Measure success. It's important to see if your writing is working well after you make it sound more human. Monitor the following metrics. Engagement. Do people stay on your page longer? This means they're interested in what they're reading. Shares. Are people sharing your writing with others? If they are, it means they like it and want others to see it too. Conversions. Are more people doing what you want them to do? For example, are more people signing up for your emails or buying something from you? Look at these things often and change how you write if needed. Conclusion. Free AI text humanizers can help you make your writing sound better. They can improve content structure, tone, and relatability. But just like any tool, these AI tools are only as good as how you use them. By following these tips mentioned in this article, you can use free AI tools to create writing that is interesting, professional, and has a strong impact on your readers. Good luck!